Welcome back, family, to the Percy Nikki channel. As always, thank you so much for all your support. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Welcome back to the Percy Nikki channel. Today we're going to be testing out some plant-based crackers and cookies that I found on my quest to eat more healthy but still keep the wonderful and delicious snacks that we love. So the first snack that I'm going to try is called Back to Nature plant-based snacks that we see here. It's a crispy wheat cracker, so it's supposed to be like the other popular wheat cracker that is out there. So let's try it and actually see what it tastes like. So you can see here, it's the same size as the other wheat cracker, and it looks like it, but let's see. The key is, how does it taste? It's actually pretty good. I'm gonna say it tastes exactly like it. I give it a thumbs up. It'll be good with cheese or with tuna or chicken salad. But I give it a thumbs up. I think it tastes good. So, thumbs up to this one. The next one we have is called Back to Nature Cheddarlicious cheese flavored crackers. And this one is supposed to be similar to the other popular cheese cracker that's out on the market. So just to give you an idea what these look like, let's see if I can show it to you. Looks just like it, same shape and style. But always, like I say, I am loving the healthy food journey. However, I'm not willing to compromise the taste of things. So let's try this one because we scored with the first one. So let's try this one and see how this one tastes. Okay. Yeah. I don't know if they're doing in that factory over there, but these are all plant-based crackers, both of these. This tastes just like it. Tastes like the other cheese cracker. If you just put these in a cup and you put them out on your table, nobody would know. Can't tell at all. It's the same cheesy taste. Just a little bit, a hint of salt flavor to it. Let's see if it has salt. It has 6 grams of fat, 0 milligrams of cholesterol, 310 milligrams of sodium. Interesting. But they're pretty darn good. I'm going to say this one too, thumbs up. Actually, I'm going to eat all of these because I put 4 on the plate and I'm going to eat all 4 of them just because. This right here. You need to get you some. These are good. Okay, here we are with our second round of taste testing the Back to Nature cookies we're going to try now. So I have 3 different types that I'm going to try right now. I have a chocolate chip, a peanut butter sandwich, and a chocolate with cream center cookie sandwich. So far we have 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs. If I had more thumbs up, I'll put them up. But 2 thumbs up on the Back to Nature crackers. So now let's taste the cookies. Again, I am on this healthy food journey, eating more healthy, working out more. But one of the things that I found a challenge for me, I don't know if it's a challenge for you guys, but for me, when I start to change my diet, it's hard to do. First off, let's just say that it's not easy, and I'm not willing to compromise on the taste of food. I'm willing to scale back on some things, but I'm not willing to compromise the taste. So if it doesn't taste good, I don't care if it's healthy or not, I'm not going to eat it. So with that being said, we're going to try first the chocolate chip cookie. And as you see, looks like a chocolate chip cookie. It's a crunchy one. It's not a chewy one, but I don't really like chewy store-bought chocolate chip cookies anyway. If I want a soft cookie, I'll make it my own. But let's see how this one tastes. Okay, y'all. This is what the box looks like. I don't know what these people are doing in this factory over there, but this tastes like a chocolate chip cookie. I had to take another bite. Sorry, I'm being rude, but it's good. Listen. Okay, I know I ate half of it, but if you put this on a plate and you gave this to me and said, here's your dessert, and I ate it, you could not tell me that this is not a regular chocolate chip cookie. You couldn't tell me that this was plant-based unless I seen it come out the box myself. But this right here, I'm gonna take another bite. I know I shouldn't, but I'm gonna eat it anyway. Let me tell you something. I don't know what they're doing over in that factory, but this right here is good. That's good. I'm about to take a drink of this water, and I'm about to move on because I think that I'll be pleasantly surprised with these too. So like I said, I just happened to be scrolling through on social media, and I saw an advertisement for these, probably because I was looking for some healthy something, I don't know. But I came across this and I said, okay, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna see. I'm gonna buy one box and see if I like it. And then when I saw all the different types that they had, I said, okay, I'll buy a couple of boxes and I'm gonna try it. But I bought them, so I said if I didn't like them, I was gonna eat them anyway. But I don't think these gonna be here that long because I don't know what they're doing over there. But these are good. So here we go. Back to Nature plant-based peanut butter cream cookies. It's like a little sandwich cookie, and it's kind of cute. I don't know if you can see it on there. It's kind of hard to tell, but on the cookie itself is stamped and it says Back to Nature, and it looks like it has peanut butter inside there. So let's see. That tastes like. I don't know what they're doing over there. This can't be healthy and taste good at the same time. It's just impossible because this tastes like those cookies that you buy once a year for those young ladies that come around with the green and brown on. That's what this tastes like right here. If it didn't say Back to Nature on it, I would swear to you that this is the little girls selling the cookies. I would swear this came from them. But this right here, I'm gonna eat the whole cookie because this was good. I'm gonna eat the whole thing because it's back to nature. It says it's plant-based. See that right there? Plant-based snacks. I don't know what they're doing over there. They're doing something good because now I can still eat cookies. I still can't eat the whole box because I would like to right now, but I don't know. Y'all gotta find new cookies and new crackers at your grocery store. Listen, I don't know what they're doing over there, but somebody's doing something good. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this empty plate down because I ate all of that peanut butter cream cookie because that one was the bomb. And I'm probably gonna go back and eat this one too, just because this is good too. So here's the next one. Back to Nature double cream cookie. That's supposed to look like the other popular sandwich cookie that's out there. Look at that. That has some like nice cream in the middle. I'm gonna just have we already did 5 for 5, so I'm gonna say this is probably gonna be delicious, and I'll probably eat the whole thing too. But let's just taste it and see. Let's get some water first. Let's be fair. Let me drink some water because I just had the yummy peanut butter cookie. So let's drink some water. All right, let's go. I'm gonna tell y'all, you need to go to the store and you need to buy these cookies. Just put your hand over the part, put your finger over the part that says that it's plant-based. Just cover that up. Because this right here tastes like that sandwich cookie, the popular one. That's chocolate with the cream in the middle. This right here, just like the peanut butter one, these two right here. If you put these on a plate, and if they didn't say Back to Nature on the cookie, you would swear in your life that this came from the little girls that sell the cookies every year. And you would think that this one came in the other one in the blue box. You would swear it down, because this right here, I can't even look. I'm dropping the crumbs and I'm upset about it. I can't even say which one is my favorite because all 3 of the sweet cookies were good. The 2 crackers, yeah. This right here. This right here. I'm gonna tell you something, and I'm talking with my mouth full. Excuse me, Jean Cooper. That's my mom. She raised me better than that. But these cookies right here, you gotta talk with your mouth full. Now I am gonna say, if you're allergic to soy or wheat, too bad, these are not for you. However, if you're not allergic to soy and wheat and you want some healthy treats, yes, I'm about to eat both of these. If you want something healthy cookie or cracker, snack, or whatever you want to call it, just sit down and put it real close. Back to Nature plant-based snacks. These people right here put some magic in the factory. Somebody's been studying, because this right here is it. I gotta eat the other half. I was greedy and I ate all of them, and I don't care. I don't care. I'm gonna just say thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support. Make sure you hit the notification button so you know when the next video comes out. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. And after you do all of that, don't walk. Run yourself down to the store and buy these cookies. It'll change your life, because it just changed mine. Bye, y'all.